Guys, welcome back to another video here. We're back in my beautiful hometown of Sydney, right at Barangaroo, and it's perfect time, guys. It is sunset here, man. It is a Saturday night, and this place is really, really lively. I don't come here very often, but I just wanted to show you guys today. We're here for a very special occasion. Look at these cafes and restaurants and bars. We're right in front of the terminal of the ferry, where all the ferries come and dock, as you can see here. But today is a very special occasion. It's my mum's birthday. We decided to take her out to here at Barangaroo, where it's, as I said, guys, super lively and heaps of restaurants. Definitely a must visit if you're coming here to Sydney. Now, after this restaurant, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to have at this restaurant, and we'll give it a little bit of a review. But if you go down the end here to Darling Harbour, every Saturday night they have a drone show, and I think tonight's the last one, so we're going to catch it up here tonight. And as the sun goes down, you can see the beautiful sunset here, guys. Now, one other thing I want to note, guys, this is being filmed on the new DJI Nano camera. So just let me know in the comments, what do you think of this camera? Is the quality good? Hoping it's good, man, but it's really, really cool. I'm going to take this off the dock for a second, so it kind of splits in part, and that is the camera side of it, which you can see here. And then what you can't see, because I'm recording on it, is the little camera that comes off it here now, guys. So, man, let's go and head into Zushi. Actually, I'm going to put you guys on my chest mount here. See what the point of view thing's like. We'll go into Zushi and have some nice cocktails, some nice food, and just see what it's all about. Man, this place is pretty cool. I'm not much for restaurants and stuff, but yeah, it's very fun. There's the birthday girl. Happy birthday. 40 years young.
I know, 40.
40 years young. All right. I'm gonna get the sashimi, the small one. The wagyu tataki. Hey there. Oh, thanks so much. Sorry? Chicken karaage? Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. That's beautiful. Wow, look at this. Guys.
This one chili coconut. Thank you.
Oh, what is that? The chili coconut? Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right. Wow, look at the froth or crema.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mum.
Love you both. Thank you so much for this. This is amazing.
Oh, guys. Oh my God, that's so good.
Oh my God.
Is it so good?
It is. Thank you. You've got to try this.
All right.
Oh my God.
This is a spicy chili coconut martini.
So amazing. How good is it?
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, yeah, the chili is in there too.
I love it.
Sashimi small.
Yeah.
Wagyu tataki, half a dozen of oyster. Wagyu roll with white rice.
Yeah.
Chicken karaage steamed white rice.
Awesome.
Yeah. Do you have any food?
No.
Direct ramen?
I don't think so.
And by the way, my name is Lance.
Thanks, Lance.
I will be your section leader.
Nice to meet you.
So if you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you, Lance.
Just gonna go.
Thank you so much. Wow, guys, look how good these are.
It's incredible.
Let's try. All right, guys, let's try some. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Go, Mum, I want a reaction. I saw you looking at Clarice, like, how did she do it?
I'm going to make a fool of myself now.
That's all right. Just push it. Just like.
There you go.
How is it, baby? Good?
So good.
Oh my God.
We just had really good oysters at that Italian place the other night. That was
Wow.
the vinaigrette was so good.
Oh,
I like the fish eggs.
yeah.
I like the fish eggs. All right, guys, we got some sashimi here. We got a bit of salmon.
We went to Brunei when I was
tuna.
a few months ago when I was in
Actually, I have no idea what the other ones are, but
And then
Let's try
just walk by the
a little bit of
beach
this
and then
tuna.
we grab all these oysters. I said, I'm not really big oyster. And then we have a bonfire.
oh, it's really fresh.
Here.
It's really nice.
How's the sashimi?
Yeah, yummy. Are you gonna have some, Mum?
I have one piece.
I'm not eating this all by myself. Come on. This one is the salted caramel espresso martini, and it is really good. It's a very subtle hint of caramel. Oh man,
good, isn't it?
I don't know if it really goes with sashimi, to be honest. I think wine was the right choice for sashimi. So the wagyu tataki has just arrived. Smells very gamey. It does. Smells, yeah. Looks good though. Wonder what that is on top. Bit of, I don't know, dry.
Grass or something?
Yeah.
Dry.
Oh man.
It's good.
Yeah, that's interesting. That stuff on top is interesting. And check this out. This is the wagyu sushi roll,
Amazing.
which I think on top it had sweet potato. I think this is sweet potato on top.
I feel so lucky that I'm invited to go. Like,
Yeah, like dried
lucky.
sweet potato chips. There's avocado. Let's get a middle piece. Oh no, it's regular but.
is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really good. Is it ever Japanese without the lovely edamames? Especially when they're warm and salted. Definitely the best. Oh man, they're hot. They're not just warm, they're hot.
So amazing.
Yummy. Look how crunchy this chicken karaage looks. Oh, and what do we got? I think that's a honey mustard sauce. Oh, nice and creamy. Oh wow. Oh, hot.
It's so hot.
Oh, hot. Careful, Mama Tot. All right, guys, so just popped out of the restaurant here. Man, the food's absolutely amazing. It's quite on the pricier end for Sydney. I mean, probably not for this area here we're at the moment, but just popped out here, man, give the stomach a bit of a breather. The cocktails are amazing. And yeah, every dish has been absolutely amazing. The chicken karaage with the honey mustard sauce, chef's kiss. And man, this is now the night mode on the DJI Nano. So I'm interested to see how this picks up all the light here. It's you know, 8 p.m. at night here. 7 p.m. but it's dark here at the moment. And very shortly we're going to head over down to Darling Harbour and see the drone show that comes here. I think it's the last one I don't know for how long, but it's the last one for a while. So I haven't seen that yet. So it should be very, very interesting. But all right, guys, let's head back on in, and we've ordered a little bit of dessert, man. So let's go try that out. This is called a clarified colada. It's a clear pina colada, and it is actually one of my favorite new drinks. Oh,
Good?
I really want you to try it.
I know.
You have to. It's interesting. Like, you might hate it, but I think it's so interesting. It's like interesting. I don't know. It's really interesting. Yeah, it's like Clarice has a very good palate. Oh, look at this! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniela. Lance has got it. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip! Hooray! 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 Thank you, Lance. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Happy 40th birthday, Mum.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to know, my mum's 40. She gave birth to me when she was 5 years old. 4 years old. All right, Mum, what is it? Have a taste. This is...
I'm going to try it.
No, you can't just have the ice cream. You got to have it all together.
Oh my gosh. So
Good ice cream. Look at this, guys. This is the ice cream sando.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at him. So good. So good.
All right, guys. Thanks so much, Lance. Appreciate it. Thanks, Lance. Man, that place was absolutely unreal. I really enjoyed that. I love Japanese food, man, and it's a very contemporary style, like a modern twist. If you've ever been to a place in Sydney called Sake, very similar kind of modern twist of food, but heading now down towards Darling Harbour, and yeah, it's very lively here on a Saturday night, just past Bungalow 8. Plenty of lovely restaurants and places to dance, and sports bars and Irish bars and all the big yachts. So if you ever want to do like a dinner cruise or a party cruise, this is where you're going to come and get onto your Captain Cook yacht boat. You can see people here lining up for this cruise right now. This might be a, oh, that might be a party cruise. Although, yeah, lots of young people around. And also down here, guys, you're going to find the Sydney Aquarium. So if you're here with your family, or the kids will love the aquarium. Man, lots of things to do out here in Darling Harbour and Barangaroo. They really revitalised the area. Growing up, Barangaroo there was not much going on in Barangaroo. It was really kind of Darling Harbour was it, and then you walk down further and there was not much there. But now it's really become like a hub of social and yeah, more so restaurants and bars and stuff now. So it's really a really cool place to come out on a weekend night now. You got a casino across the road there, across the water over there. Look at these old cool Sydney showboats. Now guys, I don't know how good this quality is because, as I said, it's a new camera. It's a very small camera in night mode, so we'll see. But yeah, as you can see, the music's pumping here. You can watch shows on this boat, so you can have a dinner cruise and watch a show. And apparently that W hotel is quite fancy. So if you're looking for somewhere to spend the night, you've got the money, you can look up the W hotel. Also a bit across the river here, we've got the National Maritime Museum. And then in the distance there, guys, with the rainbow lights on it, that's the ICC. So if you're coming here for an event or a work show, some sort of convention, that's the International Convention Centre here in Sydney. It's not that new anymore, but it's fairly newish. It was maybe 10 years old or something, but it's very cool. You'll see many events there, the wine shows and motor show, and yes, anything that's an event in Sydney is probably going to be held at the ICC at the end here. We've got some more hotels across there, the Sofitel and Novotel. So yeah, plenty of things to do right here on the harbour in Darling Harbour, man. You got famous cargo bar. If you're from Sydney, you know Cargo Bar. You probably spend a few drunken nights at Cargo Bar. And if you're really, really going back to the old days, right at the end here, near the W Hotel is where I think it was called Home Bar or something. That was like my teenage years going up to the nightclubs and whew, it's taking me back. So yeah, this has got cool vibes. They've always got different events on. Definitely cool for a night out. Guys, there's people up here at the Hyatt Regency. Look at them on the balconies waiting for the drone show to come. All right, guys, getting through Cockle Bay. We're getting closer to the action here. You can see everyone, all the families are out and everyone's lining up waiting for the drone show to start. I don't know too much about this drone show, but I think there's like 200 or 300 drones and they make pictures in the air. And can we... Oh, we're blocked off here. Oh, we're blocked off, guys. Where do we go? I've got no idea what the fuck's going on here, guys. We can't get in. Blocking off a public area. Oh my god, okay. Oh, here we go. It started, guys. Look at that. Yeah, if you're coming to the drone show, man, get here early, otherwise they'll block you out. Hopefully my camera picks this up, guys.
Look.
Oh, wow. Ooh, ah. That's actually pretty cool. Guys, what is that? Wait, oh, it's coming. I got no idea what that is. Oh, here we are. Welcome to spring. Ah. Woo. Oh. Now I'm drunk. Changed from spring to gibberish. Ooh, Rose. That's cool. Am I the only one that wants to see the drones hit each other? Oh, cool. Look at everyone's. Oh, it's flapping, guys. That's actually pretty cool. It's flying McDonald's. It's a big M. Yeah. It's always good having these in front of a bar where the drunk people going out. Oh, a chip bro. Oh, it's a 3D heart. Ooh, it's a shoe.
It's a nice.
Titanic.
Well, it does look a little.
Oh my god. You say that temporary camera again. The Aura drone show.
Is that it?
Yeah, the batteries are running out on the drones. That's gotta be it.
I've been doing it for a few weeks.
Darling Harbour. Guys, it's like a less exciting fireworks show, I think. Seriously.
Well.
Yeah. It's cool if you're in the area.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't rush out here just to watch this. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I know it was a short one today, but yeah, if you're out in Sydney or you're planning to come to Australia, definitely recommend hitting up Barangaroo and Darling Harbour area. There's always something to do, or you got the Aquarium there, lots of dinner cruises and jet boat rides. It's a fairly touristy spot, and yeah, I mean, I don't go there very often, but when I do go out there, even my mum said tonight, she's like, feels like you're in another country. We're very lucky to have so many options here in Australia, and man, thanks so much guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you can, and if you can also hit the hype button as well, that'd be awesome. And oh, sounds like a fart in a can. But yeah, definitely hit up Barangaroo, and the food was awesome. I think it was close to $300 for 3 people. It's not the cheapest, but for the place and the area and the cocktails and all that stuff, I think it was fairly good, less than $100 a person. So yeah, all right guys, I'll catch you in the next one.